Hello everyone, welcome back to Grey Pot. Today we have a delicious treat in store for you, an eggless pineapple upside down cake. That's as stunning as it is tasty. Whether you are a seasoned baker or a beginner, this recipe is sure to be a hit. So let's get started. Before we dive into the mixing and baking, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Now in a mixing bowl, add oil with sugar and mix it nicely. Into that add some yogurt and baking soda. Combine it well. You can see small bubbles are forming. At this time, add the dry ingredients like all-purpose flour and baking powder. Sift and add it to the mixture. Now slowly mix it. At the end, add some milk and combine it. Just be careful, don't over mix the batter. Now the cake batter is ready. Now let's prepare the cake pan. So in the cake pan, add some melted butter. Spread it nicely. Add some brown sugar into the pan, mix it nicely with the butter and spread it evenly at the bottom of the pan. Now place the sliced pineapple pieces. You can also use the canned pineapple, but this also works really fine. Make sure to take the ripe pineapple pieces. Now pour the cake batter on top of the pineapple, spread it evenly. Give it a tap to get rid of all the air bubbles. Pop the cake pan into the preheated oven and bake it for approximately 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean when inserted into the center. Our eggless pineapple upside down cake is out of the oven and it smells amazing. Let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. To reveal our beautiful creation, place the plate or serving platter on top of the cake pan, hold it firmly and carefully flip it over. And there you have it, a mouth-watering eggless pineapple upside down cake that's perfect for any occasion. Thanks for joining us today on our channel. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious recipe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or want to see more recipes like this, leave a comment down below. Until next time, happy baking!